about that how to become fluent in English in just 1 month. How
So guys, today is our plan of week 1, building a strong foundation on English. Means in 1 month how can we learn advanced English. So here is the day 1 and 2 plan for our improving English assessment and goal setting. Like we will record yourself for 2 minutes and listen, and we note areas of improvement, and then we find out that where is improvement required, and then we improve that pronunciation and expanding our vocabulary. And in the day 3rd and 4th हम नए वर्ड सीखेंगे. We will learn 20 new words daily and focus on advanced vocabulary using app like Anki or Quizlet. Means 20 new words हम daily learn करेंगे, and then we go with the Anki and Quizlet. And then contextual practice, we will write the sentence and short paragraphs on these words, on that vocabulary. And in the day 5 and 6 we will focus on pronunciation practice. Like phonetic focus, we will go with the phonetic focus like International Phonetic Alphabets (IPA), how to pronounce the words in a foreign accent. Okay, pronunciation we will focus on. And shadowing exercise means shadow practice, we will go with that. Native speakers resources like TED Talks or new broadcasts. We will listen these shadow practice on TED Talks and broadcast. In day 7 and 8 we will review what we have done on vocabulary, like use flashcard. I will see you that flashcards are the cards which we use to improve our vocabulary, and then record and compare. Like by the flashcards we will speak for 2-3 minutes and we will compare the initial assessment. In day 1 we have done one assessment, then we will compare with that. And in week 2 हम focus करेंगे enhancing speaking skills by grammar and sentence structure, advanced grammar. Like we will go with the study complex sentence structures and advanced grammar rules. Okay, we will go with that. And practice exercise, write and speak using these structures. Means firstly we will write the sentences, complex sentences, and then advanced grammar rule also. ठीक है, and उसके ऊपर हम structures लिखेंगे sentence के. And then in day 10 and 11 fluency building, daily conversation, engage in conversation with a language partner or tutor. वी विल बातचीत करना है किसी ट्यूटर के साथ और किसी भी के साथ, को ऑनलाइन मिल जाएंगे. आपने आपसे भी मिरर में बात करनी है आपको, डेली कन्वर्सेशन. एंड वी हैव टू टेल अस विद क्विकली एंड क्लियरली ऑन रैंडम टॉपिक्स. फर्स्ट इज विद कन्वर्सेशन विद एनी पर्सन, एंड सेकंड इज रैंडम किसी भी टॉपिक पर बातचीत करनी है. एंड इन डे 12 and 13 वी विल गो विद द लिसनिंग एंड इमिटेशन. लिसनिंग प्रैक्टिस बाय एडवांस इंग्लिश वीडियोस और लिसन टू पॉडकास्ट. वी विल वॉच एडवांस इंग्लिश वीडियोस और वी विल लिसन द पॉडकास्ट फॉर लिसनिंग एंड इमिटेशन. मिमिक टू. So we have done the listening. Now review and self-assessment. In the review and self-assessment, we will evaluate our speaking, focusing on improvements and areas needing work. Like self-improvement, where we have not done properly, we will work on that. Feedback session. We will ask to the other person or tutor or language partner that what we have done wrong. Can you tell me? Can you suggest me something that which area I have to improve? And guys, in the 3rd week, advanced communication skills. We will day 15 and 16 debate and argumentation. Like that is the complex topic. That is will make you take you from this position to this position. Debate practice. Engage in debates and discussion on complex topics. That is the main thing which will take you on another level. Argument structure. Practice presenting arguments logically and persuasively. Means put your point of view to the other person, in front of the person. In the day 17 and 18 you will learn phrasal verbs and idioms to express your opinions in a more correctively. Learn idioms and phrasal verbs, advanced idiomatic expressions, idioms and phrasal verbs in daily speaking. And day 19-20 cultural nuances, like cultural insights. Learn about cultural nonsense and context in English speaking countries. Means go with that culture, that in which country, in which context you will elaborate the country's English speaking. And practice conversation. You will talk about the culture of different countries and different states, villages in your words. Review and adjust. Make sure that you will speaking progress and focus areas and needed. Like take a view on your progress and focus area which you will have to improve. Interactive practice. Engage in a simulated environment such as role play or mock interview. Like make an environment of English speaking and do the role play or mock interview. Means try to do some creative things. Now the mastery and real world application. Speech preparation. Prepare a short speech or present on a complex topic. Like go with the creative things. Make a PPT and show on. Make a video of that. Presentation. Deliver your speech and record it for a self-assessment. Make a speech on that. Okay. And then in day 24, day 25, advanced English listening and speaking. High level listening. Watch advanced context and such as academic lecture or professional webinars. Advanced means go with the advanced lectures and academic and be professionals. Join something and do something creative and discuss the context with the tutor or language partner, or talk about that thing with your partner. Real life practice, like engage in a real life English conversation through meetups, language exchange or events or online communities. Means initiate and do the hard work and meetups, language exchange. Means the person who are expert in English, talk with them. Day 20 and 30, 28 and 30, final review and mastery. Go with that. Review vocabulary, grammar and English techniques, speaking techniques. Means what you have done in 30 days, go with that and make a view on that. देखना आपको सभी चीजें. Final assessment, recording, comprehensive speaking exercise and compare with the initial recording. Write down all the things and make a view on that and compare your first video and the last video on that. Okay.